Hello cycling fans, just in case you're wondering what this compilation of plastic and metal is, what is this mound of metal that you see before you? It is my bike tool drawer. Yes, my bike tool drawer. Essentially the tools that I would use on a daily basis to maintain my bike and to change out parts and to buy new parts as well. Starting with the most important, which I believe is the caliper ruler. You have to have a caliper ruler in your drawer, because if you're going to buy things like new handlebars, new seat posts, you need to have the correct measurement, as there are so many different widths for these things. So a very essential tool. A lot of people take that for granted, but yeah, it's very essential. It saves a lot of time and bother. Then I've got my Allen keys, which is the next important thing. The Allen keys are essential for almost every single screw on the bike that I have. So get yourself one of those if you haven't got a kit already. This is a quick link removal tool for a chain, for your bike chain, and you can put it on as well with this tool as well. Very essential. Cable cutting tools for the brake maintenance. Yeah, so you've got this one here. This particular make is a Draper, and another one for other cables and cable housing and things like that, to neaten it up a bit. Tape measure to measure out wherever, your frame, your forks or whatever. Very essential. Brake shoe tuner. Now a lot of people find it a waste of time, but I think it's quite decent really. It helps a lot with angling the brake pads on your rims. So there's a video on that if you want to check that out. What else do we have? We have the crank removal tool. So on a square tapered bottom bracket, we'll use that to remove the bracket, and then you would use this. Well, first of all, you would use this to remove the crank on the bracket. So that will screw into the crank, and then this will screw in to push it out and to pull the crank off the bike. Pedal installation tool or pedal removal tool. This is basically a big spanner, which is configured to the universal measurement of pedals. And so yeah, that's essentially it really. The most important things I would say are the Allen keys, the ruler, things to remove, things like cassettes and bottom brackets. I've got some Tyre lever tools in here as well, plastic and metal. So there's good for maintaining and removing the tyres. I've got an array of screwdrivers as well that you don't see, but they're there as well. So yeah, I have most of the tools here. Cup and cone spanner as well. So yeah, if you haven't got any of these tools in your possession, then you're going to the bike shop. Okay, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.